Hey guys, once again welcome back to Big Guide channel, and in this video, no, of course I'm not going to tell you about this. If you would like to know how to make invoice in Excel, there's a video already there. So what I'm going to talk about, okay, so there are simple tricks 11 which you have gathered for you in this video, so do sit back and watch till the end. If you haven't subscribed my channel so far, click on subscribe button now. Okay, so the first trick is here. If you have too many seats open in one workbook, so if you wish to go in the end, at first or at last, so how does it work? You simply press Control and go here, click here. So you already are there on first. Okay, now if you wish to go on last, press Control and like this, so you can reach on last. So these are the tricks which you are seeing on your screen right now. These ones we'll be talking about today. Okay, so that was a bonus trick I gave you. Now trick number 1, Window plus D. When you press Window and D, directly you reach to the desktop. No matter which program you have opened, what you are working on, directly you can reach desktop. So let me show you. Window plus D. Now we are on desktop. Window plus D. If you press it again, you go back to where you were before in your working program. Okay, now next function is Alt D. For that I have to go somewhere. Okay, somewhere basically means you have to, if you're working on internet or you're working on Google and you want to search something quickly and you wish to go to search bar directly, so you can press Alt plus D from your keyboard. Let me show you how. So I open this and I'm here, and just example, so I'm watching something and I want to change it. I want to go to search bar directly, so I can press Alt plus D like this. You see the search bar is highlighted, Alt and D like that. Okay, so let's skip that. That was trick number 2. Now trick number 3 is Control D. Basically how it works, example, I type here one name, Ram. Okay, so if I want that name to be below column also, so I can simply press Control D instead of typing the same thing. Control and D basically means down. Control D. So okay, next key we have for you is Control R. R basically means right. Control R. If there is anything on the left, you want to bring it on the right, it can work that way. You can simply, instead of copy paste, you can use those shortcut keys. Okay, now the 5th key I have for you is, if you want to know the today's date, simply you can press Control and plus semicolon like this. So you got 23/1/2024. Okay, so this is for today's date. If you want to know the time, you can press Control Shift and semicolon. So 4:20 p.m. right now I'm making this video. Okay, now we talk about the trick number 7, which is Alt and Tab. I believe most of you know about it. When you press Alt Tab, it opens all the windows, all the workbook which you're working on. Okay, like this. So since there are only 2 open, you can check this way, Alt Tab. So this is how it works to switch from one work to another. Okay, Alt Tab is very important, whoever uses Excel or other programs too. Okay, Control Alt Delete. I think I should show this as the last one, but let's go through. Control Alt Delete basically is to go to task manager or to change your password. There are some certain things which you can do when you press Control Alt D. So that I will show you in the end. Let's make it number 11 here. Clear? Here 9, 10. Let's make this number 8. So we have this number 8, Shift and Tab. Okay, most of you know, if you wish to go from this column to next column, you can simply press Tab, right? You can simply press Tab like this. But did you know if you have to come back, how you can come back? Okay, Shift Tab, Shift Tab. You press Shift Tab, you go back. I hope you got it. This is what I was talking about. Now we have one more important key. For that I have to put some formula for you. Okay, otherwise it won't work. So 400, 200. Now I press one more shortcut I will tell you, Alt and equals for sum. Alt equals, press enter. Now it will work. So press Control plus tilde key. Tilde key is basically the first key before the numeric key number 1. So before number 1 there is a tilde key. That's how it works. So click anywhere in the sheet. If you wish to know if there are formulas, hidden formula in the sheet, you can press Control plus tilde. It saves a lot of time. Control tilde. Now it shows this is the formula is here, right? There is no other formula, so it's showing If you wish to go back, you can press the same thing, so it will change everything back to the normal. That was trick number 10, basically supposed to be 9. Now we talk about degree. If I tell you to insert a degree symbol here, degree Celsius basically I mean, so I believe some of you might fumble around that how to put. So basically there's a beautiful shortcut, alt plus 0176. So keep hold alt plus press 0176 like that. Now here you are, you got the degree symbol. Okay, so this is very important key. The last function which we need to talk about is control alt and delete, and after that I'll give you one bonus trick too, okay, which I actually have given you at first. So control alt delete, let's press control alt delete. So it gives me an option of lock, switch user, sign out, change password, and task manager. If sometimes your computer hangs, you can go to task manager and close that particular task. Let's cancel it for now, okay, since we're working here. Now let me give you very important in the last trick. There was a last actually. We go to this sheet, okay. Here we have lots of data. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to ask you that I want you to insert one more row in place of, I mean, under every column or every row. I want you to make until here only, make one blank, insert one blank row. How you can do that? Okay, so for that it's a little tricky, but I'll make it simple for you. So press Control from your keyboard and select individual 1 2 3 4 5 6 like that, and then you can either press Shift F11 or right click and insert. See, magic. Now it has given you the exact where you were required. Okay, so now in case if you wish to delete, either you can since you know what we have done already, otherwise you can select this, press Ctrl and G from your keyboard. It gives you some reference like this. Go to special, select blanks. Okay, now the blanks are highlighted. What you need to do is again right click, delete. Now entire row. Okay, click OK. All the rows are deleted. The data is as it was earlier. Hope you like this video, guys. If you like it, please don't forget to subscribe your Big Guy channel. There are such amazing videos coming up, knowledgeable, so which can help you. See you next time. Till then, take care. Bye bye.